Hello everybody, I just wanted to do a quick follow-up on this Hisense 8000 BTU AC unit and maybe 3500 BTU heat. I never did come back and check it. It was too hot yesterday to do its thing, I guess, but it's getting pretty warm today. That's quite a bit warmer than I expected it to. The air blowing out's nice and toasty. Not a blast furnace by any means, but it'll get the job done. And now we're at 100. It's been running about 5 minutes. We'll check it a few minutes later. Yeah, it'll do. That heat pump I had before the climate right, it seemed like it would get it up to around 140 degrees blowing out. So this is about what I expected, maybe a little better than I expected. $105, $108. Maybe it'll get up to 110, who knows. 112, yeah, it does just fine. I would expect it to be up to pretty well to full operating temperature by now. It's quite warm coming out of the vent. 114, looks like 115. We'll call it 115. So that's just a quick follow-up on this Hisense AC heater unit. Thank you for watching.